With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given aniline behaves as a weak base. When 0.1 molar 50 ml solution sample of aniline was mixed with 0.2 molar 12.5 ml solution of HCl, the pH of the resulting solution was 8. Then the pH of 0.01 molar solution of anillinium chloride is, right? So let's see first of all, when you have aniline like this is aniline, NH2, right? So when you are treating aniline with HCl, what you are getting the formation of anillinium chloride. This is anillinium chloride, NH3 plus and Cl minus. So this is anillinium chloride. Now here it's important to see that what is given in the question, that 0.1 molar 50 ml. So millimoles of aniline will be 0.1 into 50, which will come out to be 5. And millimoles of HCl will be how much? 0.2 is the molarity given and volume is 12.5. So 0.2 into 12.5, this value will come out to be 2.5. Because we know that number of millimoles is equals to molarity into volume in milliliter, right? So similarly we have calculated the number of millimoles initially. This will be 0 initially. Now on reaction, how much will be left? So 2.5, the 2.5 millimoles of aniline will be left and HCl will be 0, because all the 2.5 millimoles of HCl has reacted, and how much will be formed? 2.5 millimoles will be formed, anillinium chloride. So from here you can see, since it is a mixture of weak base and salt of this weak base with strong acid, you can see this is the salt of this weak base with strong acid HCl. You can easily say that it is basic buffer, right? It is basic buffer. So what happens in basic buffer? You know very well that in case of basic buffer, the POH is equals to pKb plus log of salt by base. So here you can see that since the concentration of salt as well as the concentration of base is equal, then what you will say that they will cancel out. Salt and base concentration is equal. So finally what you will say that log 1 will be 0. So this whole part will be equals to 0, right? Because log 1 is 0. So finally POH will be equals to pKb. And what is pKb? So it's given to, is it given? So pH is given 8. So if pH of the solution is given, then what is POH? POH is 14 minus pH. So POH will be 14 minus pH, that is equals to pKb, right? So 14 minus pH is 8. So 14 minus 8 is equals to pKb. From here you will get that pKb value will be 6, right? Now from here pKb value is 6. So pKb is 6. So what you can say, that minus log of Kb, that will be equals to 6. So from here you can say that the value of Kb will come out to be 10 to the power minus 6, right? The value of Kb will be 10 to the power minus 6. Now let's see further what is given in the question. It has been given that the pH of 0.01 molar solution you need to calculate of anillinium chloride. So anillinium chloride is now an acid. Now if anillinium chloride you are considering its hydrolysis, it is a salt of weak base and strong acid. This is anillinium chloride NH3 plus. So if you are considering its hydrolysis like with H2O, then what you will get? You will get the formation. Here it will be NH2, here it will be NH2, and here it will be H3O plus, right? So finally what you can say, that it is undergoing hydrolysis. This salt is undergoing hydrolysis to give you this following reaction. Now what was said in the question, that you need to calculate what? Calculate the pH of this anillinium chloride of 0.01 molar. So let's say that its initial concentration is C, which is given to us 0.01 molar, but after hydrolysis it will be C into 1 minus H, right? After hydrolysis it will be C into 1 minus H, and this will be how much? CH, if H is the degree of hydrolysis. H is degree of hydrolysis. So you know very well that from here if you consider, and what will be the concentration of this H plus? It will also be CH. Now what is very important? We know that KH, that is the hydrolysis constant, this is KH. KH is what? KH is given by the concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactant. So what is the product concentration? It is CH into CH. because these are the products, so it is CH divided by the concentration of reactant, which is C into 1 minus H. So finally what you are going to say, you are going to say this, that CH into CH, that is divided by C into 1 minus H. So this will be CH square by 1 minus H. Now it is assumed that H is very smaller than 1. So if H is very smaller than 1, this value will be almost equals to CH square. So what you can say, that CH square is equals to KH. So H will be equals to root under KH by C. So if H is equals to root under KH by C, what you need to find out? You need to find out the concentration of CH, that is the concentration of H2O plus or H plus concentration, in order to calculate the pH. So you need to find out H plus concentration, which is equals to CH, which is equals to C times of root under KH by C. So finally what you can say, that this value will be equals to root under KH into C, right? And we know that what is KH? KH is given by KW by KB, KW by KB. So what is KW? 10 to the power minus 14. And what is KB? So KB is given to us. KB, we have just now calculated here. The whole thing which we were doing was to calculate KB. So this was KB 10 to the power minus 6. So we'll write here it is 10 to the power minus 6. So finally you will get 10 to the power minus 14 plus 6, which value, this value will be 10 to the power minus 8, right? This value will come out to be 10 to the power minus 8. Now this value we have got this value. Now you have to substitute here to get the value of concentration of H plus. So finally you will write here directly that H plus concentration will be root under KH into C, which is equals to root under 10 to the power minus 8 into what is the concentration of anillinium chloride given to us. We have been given that the anillinium chloride concentration is 0.01 molar. It means 10 to the power minus 2. So you will write here 10 to the power minus 2. So finally this will be root under 10 to the power minus 10, which will be equals to 10 to the power minus 5. So finally what you are going to say, that pH is equals to minus log of H plus ion concentration. So we know that H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 5. So this value will come out to be 5, and this is only the pH of the given solution. So the pH will be equals to 5, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.